Alright, good day guys. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're just going to run over a few examples, just looking at how you can use the easy in, easy out strategy when trading traditional chart patterns. So this strategy, although I have my my own way of executing and I have formed my own kind of base strategy around this pattern, it can be used with other well-known patterns or other well-known strategies as well. So I'm going to show you a few examples here to show you exactly what I mean. Essentially, rather than trading the patterns that we all know, for example, a flag or a SR flip or a wedge break, rather than just trading them the traditional way, you would look for a broken base entry. Okay, so we're looking at a wedge here. Rather than trading the breakout, we wait for a broken base to form and for price to break out of the wedge, and then we enter. It's the same thing for a support resistance flip. Resistance here, we break that resistance. As we retest the support, rather than entering long here with a stop way lower, you wait for a broken base to form. Okay, pretty much just confirming the retest of this support. Now it's the same thing for a flag. All right, so we're in a downtrend, we form a flag here. Rather than trading the break of the flag, you would wait for a broken base and the break to occur. That's when you would enter short. Now it's the same thing for moving averages, okay? It can either be a direct retest here or it can break just below. It doesn't matter, but if you see the broken base form as it retests, then essentially that is just a confirmation that the retest is true and that we're going to continue the trend, okay? Now it's the same thing for a trend line. Now you can either use it, let's say here, if we form the broken base on the retest to confirm that the trend line is going to hold, you can use that to get long, or you have a false trend line break. So let's say the uptrend is quite strong and we form an obvious trend line and then break below that obvious trend line and form a broken base, then we know that this is a false break and that the trend is going to continue up. Okay, so basically my point here is that this pattern and the easy in, easy out strategy is quite malleable. So everything that you learn in the strategy, you can take that and apply it to the base knowledge that you already have. Okay, I'm not trying to sit here and tell you that you cannot improve on what I have created or improve on what I provide. I'm saying that you should improve on it. You should take the knowledge that you already have and take this pattern and see if you can find a strategy of your own. And I guess that's the beauty of this, okay? So all it is, we're just waiting for confirmations. Okay, so confirmation of a wedge, confirmation of support resistance, confirmation of a flag, confirmation of an EMA, okay, and then confirmation of a trend line or a false trend line break. Just a quick video, guys. Hope this helps you out. Feel free to ask questions. No worries. Bye.